life, existence, humanity. Everything inspires my creative sense. I love my country, I love my continent, Africa. The goal here is to often portray Africa as bold, beautiful, elegant, powerful, anything you can ever think of. So they see us as a country that is being ravaged by poverty and all that, which is not supposed to be. I was taking my bath and the inspiration of Erudit Media came in. My name is Goodluck Okonkwo. I am the creative director of Erudit Media. I am that boy from the East who will succeed through godly means. God has helped me in no small way. I'm super single, like I'm single.